Social media marketing is the power of using social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to generate results for your company. In short, these results can be geared towards more traffic, more conversions, more leads, or more social proof. We use hundreds of variables to ensure we are delivering the ad to the perfect target audience to achieve the desired result. Facebook has what is called a pixel. This pixel ID is installed on your website and is directly connected to your Facebook Ad Manager account. The pixel records all the activity of each visitor to your website as well as any of the actions they took while visiting the site. After collecting enough data, the pixel will complete its learning process, optimizing the algorithms used to target the ad to the correct audience. In order to find the correct ad to run, we need to create many ads with different settings at a small budget to test to see which ones perform the best and why. We cut the ads that don't work and scale the ones that do. The best way to perfect an ad is to study the variables of all the data collected and see if there are any outliers in any demographic, behavior, or device types. Then adjust the settings in your ad set accordingly. The really exciting part of this process happens when you've perfected an ad. You have the correct ad type targeting the right people at the right time with a good offer, taking them to a great landing page and increasing conversions dramatically. At this point, all you have to do is scale the ad by increasing the amount you're spending on the ad, and your returns can be extrapolated at that rate.